Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. I have been talking recently about rollable fonts. We have the LG rollable that you can see the video on here or in the description section. That should be the future of LG's font business if it ever comes out. Now there is a company that actually seems to be on the right path of making this happen, and that will be Oppo. Oppo teased that Oppo X 2021 a few months ago showed a prototype and a bunch of information on how the font is going to work. And now it seems that the phone is actually going to make it to market, and that phone actually does exist. Sadly, we won't be able to buy it in the US because can't have nice things. Here's some of the information on how the Oppo X 2021 works and why it's so special. So of course it's a rollable phone, and its most compact size is going to be 6.7 inches, and once it extends it's going to be 7.4 inches.
That's what she said.
Of course the screen is going to be made out of flexible OLED. The phone is going to extend out and go back into a small size, so the screen technically is going to roll inside of the phone and out of the phone. It's not going to be a dual screen phone like the Galaxy Z Fold or the prototype that we've seen for the LG rollable. So you're going to have one screen that's going to be continuously on the front of the phone that is going to just extend and retract. Back of the phone will look like a regular phone. This is what the back of the phone should look like. As you can see, it's going to have 3 cameras in the back. It's going to have the power button on the left side of the phone. And the way you will expand the phone is by swiping up on that power button / fingerprint reader. And in order to retract the phone, you will either swipe down or double click on the button. So this will make it that the phone automatically expands and retracts. So as you can see, the phone is going to have 2 roll motors. This is going to generate constant force for the display, so it moves in and out smoothly with equal force. This will make it so the phone won't have creases, or the screen will sag when it's moving. And the other thing that they're doing in order to make sure that that screen stays smooth without any creases, which is really cool, because if you think about foldable phones, all foldable phones that we've seen so far usually have a crease in the middle where the phone bends. The way they are avoiding this is by using a 6.8 millimeter diameter for the central axis, and that is supposed to make the screen smooth and without creases. This little video shows you how the mechanism works. It's a 2-in-1 plate, so the screen goes in and out smoothly. My assumption is that the LG rollable, if it does ever come out, is going to have a similar mechanism in order to make sure that it works the same way, because this phone looks like it works the exact same way as the LG rollable will work. Now, by having this 2-in-1 plate, it makes it so the phone is sturdy when it's expanded, and you don't have to worry about when you put force into the screen when you're touching in it, because you do put in some force when you use the touch screen. So this will make it so the screen stays sturdy and in place, and you don't end up breaking it. As you can see, it looks like this is going to have a 48 megapixel camera. It says it's going to have a 2-spot TOF. If you don't know what TOF is, it stands for time of flight, and it pretty much means the amount of time that it takes for the camera to see the light bouncing from an object. This allows the camera to create a better depth of field when you're taking an image, so it should help a lot with bokeh pictures, for example, and AR. This phone is actually out in the wild, so this is something that is actually probably going to come to market. Again, sadly, not the US. Can't have nice things. As we can see, this video of the real phone out in the wild. His Twitter is @BrandonLeaks or @BrandonLKS. As you can see here how the phone expands. If you notice when he puts it by the light, there's hardly any creases on the phone, which is the coolest thing that I've seen. I'm so excited about this phone. I really want to try it out. I am more excited about this phone than I was with the Samsung Fold, because I don't know. I mean, it is cool to see a phone that has a screen that flexes, but this design is so futuristic, you know, of the sliding in and out by itself. It is like a sci-fi movie. If you are into tech like I am and have seen things like this in movies and shows, it's kind of like a dream come true. You know, it's like a geek dream come true. So yeah, as you can see, I am very excited. What do you think about the Oppo X 2021? Is this a phone that you are excited that it might actually come to market? Is this something that you would like to get? Are you as excited as I am to see something like this be a reality? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos, and thank you very much for watching.